Welcome back to Bootstrap. This is Unitech Solutions. Now, why do we really need Bootstrap? From Bootstrap own website, it says that Bootstrap is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JS framework for developing responsive mobile-first projects on the web. Without a doubt, I agree that Bootstrap is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JS framework. Now, what we need to look next is, what is this responsive mobile application? Now we have this problem that we used to face where you would have to create a website and then someone would be using mobile phone to view your website, and it sounds very nasty, scrolling here and there just to get your content. Now with Bootstrap, it provides you a solution to some of this problem, and that is why you have to know that Bootstrap is it's actually mobile first framework. That is, when you use a mobile phone to view it, it corresponds to it. Wherever you use it, adjusts to that particular screen. Now you would need, in order to have this easiness, you would need 3 meta tags or 2. The first one is what you see on the screen. You need a meta tag which has a name, viewpoint, the content, and blah blah blah. Now let's go to the next one. When we get to the practical aspect of it, you would enjoy this very well. Now let's talk about grid system. Now Bootstrap includes a responsive mobile first fluid grid system that appropriately scales up to 12 columns as the device or viewpoint size increases. Now if you are viewing the website with a mobile phone, with the Bootstrap grid system, it allows you, the programmer, or you, the web developer, to target the most smallest devices per your choice. So if, let's say, there's going to be a device like mobile phone or a tablet to view your website, you don't have to think about, okay, what if they do that? What would I do? Now with the grid system, it tells you that you can divide your screen into 12 columns, which is in every row it is divided into 12 columns. So with that one, you know how you would structure your columns. In this case, you get a lot of easiness. You wouldn't understand this better than when we go to the practical aspect of it. Now Bootstrap also includes predefined classes. Unlike we did HTML and CSS, where we have to define our own HTML and our own CSS classes and IDs and stuff, which with Bootstrap it already have this predefined classes. Predefined classes meaning that they've defined some classes for you, so you just need to you just need to call them, and then they'll start working for you. Very easy, and very fast. With these classes, trust me, you don't need to struggle too much, though you can customize one, but you just have to know that they have predefined classes. Of course, if you don't make use of these predefined classes, you have not enjoyed Bootstrap. So in our next lesson, I will be teaching you some of the objectives of this class.